What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I do absolutely have some bad news today, and one of our own has gone away, and we're about to get into that right now. So here's the situation. Saturday, after Ford takeover, a deal was struck, and sometime early Sunday morning, Lee, the owner of the black 93, decided he could not live without Alex's 90 model notch, which most people, you know, that like Fox bodies couldn't live without it either. Beautiful car. So sadly, yes, Alex's car is gone, which he should be here any minute, and we're gonna grill him about that. But yeah, Alex's car is sold, went to a great home. But the good news and the upside to that is this car, well, it's good news for us because it's not leaving. Alex is officially taking control of the Wild Strawberry car. Bad news for anybody and everybody that has been lambasting us with emails wanting to buy it. It is no longer at this juncture for sale, and hopefully within the next week to 2 weeks, this car will be done. You will actually get to see it running, driving, everything. So it's going to be, I don't know. I'm super pumped to see the car finished and see what Alex does to it. Alex does really good work, and this car is going to look phenomenal. So we got a few other things going on. Let's cover those. All right, y'all. So obviously you can see Corey's 85 is still here. But we're getting the old school casters put on there. If you didn't see those, we made those almost 2 years ago to roll my old car around. So yeah, pretty cool. But anyway, because the car is not mobile and we need to get this one moved over to the other shop so Alex can do some work, because the issue is this car is not necessarily mobile. This car is not mobile, and we got to get this one out of here and over to that lift. So at this juncture, we're gonna get Corey's car on the ground. The only thing we're waiting on for Corey's car is the ultimate headers, and we can put it together, right? Yes, sir. Yep. And you'll see 456 gears, power glide, Coyote, lots of nitrous. Stay tuned for videos on this one. All right, y'all. So Alex has officially showed up. He's already busy building the other car. Alex, what's the plan for the Wild Strawberry car?
A few change-ups.
Yeah, gonna change it up a little bit.
Hydro boost.
Yes.
Air conditioning.
Yes.
And that's about it. Just the old things on the train.
Yep. Cool.
Kind of like the other car we made, huh?
That, yeah, exactly. In case y'all didn't know, it's already got a TKO 600 in it. We were going to build the car all manually just because the car was going to end up getting sold. But Alex is not having any of that. He's putting air, power steering. We're doing the hydro boost, all that. So the build is changing up just a little bit. But again, super excited to see this. And while we hated to see the other car go, I mean, this car is awesome. Alex, I'm excited to see it done, dude. It's gonna be awesome.
It will be.
It will be. I mean, out in the sun once it's all washed and cleaned, and man. All right, so we got to move some stuff here. In case you guys wondering, yes, another edge car. Another edge car. It's this one's pretty rough too.
You got that?
Yeah, I got this. Woo! Nobody died in here, did they?
Who knows, man? I don't manage, don't tell.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. Seat won't move. Man. Somebody short drove this car. All right, let's see what's up here. All right. No juice. Oh, is that the one we stole the battery? No. Oh, crap. All right, stand by, y'all. Uh-oh, yeah.
Got something going on. I got some juice. A little bit enough, but just got something.
I got a dinger.
All right.
So as you can see, we got everything moved out here. We're about to get Corey's car pulled back in, and got all the other cars moved. Gonna get busy on the wild strawberry car. If you need a 4.62 valve, shoot me an email. We got a couple. And an electric green hood. Right there. So, got this one on the lift here. Gonna do some, start putting this thing together. It's been sitting there all lonely for far too long. I don't know about y'all, but I am dying to see this car put together. Got everything kind of moved around now. We can do some work on Corey's car. We got Alex's wild strawberry over there on the lift. But swap number one's got to check engine light. Actually, Saturday for the Ford takeover was the first time it's been driven in quite a while, so interested to see what we got. May just be from sitting, but we got codes. If y'all haven't seen the cluster in this car, it's a little bit different than mine.
I don't know.
I'm not giving you anything?
I don't know if I did the damn thing right here.
You figure it out.
Trying to see what code
Look
it
at
is.
misfire code here. It's under 1 misfire, 1 and 6. It's under 1 and 6 misfire. It kind of did something goofy the other day, but then it like cleared up. Like it did something goofy and the light come on. It ran a little rough for a second, then it cleared up, and you know it's fine after that. I don't know.
Let's see it up. Well,
Yeah, it's been sitting, so
Probably just enough to throw a code.
probably yeah.
Cool.
I think we're okay. I'll just clear it and go along because it's running fine now.
Alright, so that is pretty much what we've got going on at the shop. We are checking, we've got a little bit of a noise in the front end of Dover's swap. We're gonna check that out real quick, see what we can figure out. Maybe a bearing, don't know. But got Corey's moved over here. You'll see this car put together really quick with the Coyote. We are doing a boss intake on Corey's car right there. And of course the Power Glide and 9-inch 456 gears. So that'll be dragging the bumper shortly as soon as the ultimate headers show up. And Alex is going full bore, hoping to have the wild strawberry car done in like a week and a half, like no time at all. So that's gonna be awesome. Couple more parts and some other details, and we'll have Lee's car rocking and rolling. I mean, just stuff everywhere. And of course, at some point, my front wheels might show up, which would be a great day. Right now, we're looking at like May 20th was the last email I got. So no rush whatsoever, right? You know, it's just whatever. So there you go, guys. That is what is up. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next edition of... We'll just catch you next time.